for the other side. Here. All right, one more. Look at the neck. One more time.
Did not consent to this seasoning. Expect a low rating on Yelp for this human. Training for the Puppy Olympics, but my coach is taking his job of being a heavy burden a bit too literally. You have the voice of an angel but only 3 hours of sleep and zero motivation to start your world tour. When you're the management chain is just a series of people licking the person below them, but nobody knows who is actually in charge. The spa staff is inexperienced, but you already paid for the full 60-minute deep tissue treatment. You decide to square up with the slippers, but the slippers are actually winning. This cat is currently rethinking every life choice that led to this one-bone defeat. Target neutralized, ego destroyed. The gambling addiction kicks in, but all you've got to wager is your last dignity and a single piece of dried beet. I asked for a 10mm socket, but the apprentice sent me a 5-pound cat instead. Suboptimal for the plumbing but excellent for moral support. You're deeply offended that the rice cooker has more of a social life than you do. Exact moment his enthusiasm for dinner outweighed his coordination. It's a fine line between a...
Mingau, eu acabei de te dar comida, Mingau. Mingau. Para com isso. Eu já tirei comida, Mingau.
You're supposed to be on a diet, but you find the hidden snack stash and decide a single strawberry doesn't count as cheating if you hunt it first. When I think I am ready to face my problems versus me when I actually see them. You're a hardcore introvert, but your mom still forces you to go to the party and stay within her line of sight. Management says we are moving to an open floor plan, but everyone still has a cubicle and zero idea what is going on. You're dead to the world, but the snack service still has a 5-star rating. They said a gaming mouse improves your reaction time. They forgot to mention the supervisor who judges every single misclick. My rank is silver, but my coach is... Your mid-scream and your internal battery hits 0%. You're 100% sure you left the stove on, but you're already 50 miles deep into the road trip. I have spent 5 minutes calculating the optimal angle of attack, and I have concluded that the only logical solution is to eat the foot. You're trying to lock in, but the hardware keeps licking back. You're a high-maintenance queen with a sapphire necklace, but you still lose a fight to a piece of shrimp. Trying to act like a distinguished gentleman, but your reflection in the glass is telling you that you actually look like a disgruntled potato. Your human thinks they're the one opening the door, but you've been the doorman for 3 generations. Calculated risk. High reward. The void didn't even see it coming.
Oh, no, 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 no.
I have a plan, and it involves zero math and 100% chaos. Catch me on the other side. You're trying to reach for your goals, but the universe keeps moving the finish line just an inch higher. The laws of physics betray you, but you are too stunned to speak. That I would like to speak to the manager of gravity look is priceless. You're a cat, but you identify as a fallen leaf. Would you like me to try a version that's more self-deprecating, or perhaps one written from the cat's perspective? gathered you all here today to discuss the shortage of premium tuna. This meeting will not end until I see a salmon appetite. You're trying to act like a sophisticated cat in a designer vest, but the smell of the durian hits you like a physical wall. You're a golden retriever. Even a paper towel and some lipstick can't hide the fact that you have You're trying to relax, but the physics engine of the universe keeps glitching out right in front of you.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Mom, is it the 25th? What you doing? No.
She's making bad decisions.
This orange cat really thinks he is the lead mechanic at a bicycle shop, but he has no idea what he is doing. He is just in there touching gears. Your opponent brings a ringer to the match who literally has zero respect for the rules of physics or fair play. I am pretty sure that is a foul, but finally found a roommate who actually pulls their weight, and all it costs me is a bag of tuna treats. You're supposed to be the apex predator of the household, but the kitchen wall just hit you with a left. You realize the reflection is just as dramatic as you are, and now you have to fight for the title of main character.
Huh? Huh?
You realize you are one bad day away from becoming a chocolate cake.
Huh?
You're your own worst enemy, and neither of you is planning to back down first. You're your own worst enemy, and neither of you is back down.
Huh?
When the red dot disappears and you realize you were actually hunting your brothers back the whole time. The betrayal in those eyes is real. You're trying to stay calm, but your sibling is breathing too loud, and now it is time for immediate fisticuffs. The meditation retreat finally hits, but then your roommate starts talking about chores again. Trying to stay hydrated but the water nozzle is playing hard to get and your human is just standing there filming your existential crisis. Your cat puts in more effort to defend the goal than the actual backline. I think I need to check his contract because he clearly thinks he is the starting keeper. You've been working the night shift at the fly swatter factory and finally hit your breaking point. You try to explain why you were 5 minutes late and she has the screenshots ready to destroy your whole argument.